Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So yesterday I received a few parcels I had ordered a while ago, and today I got the time to open them, and as soon as I saw these cute earrings, they just sparked the creativity inside me. I knew I had to make something like this in my own version and style. So I thought of sharing this with you all. I thought of making a video where I'll be making clay earrings and with my own homemade clay, and I'll share the process with you all. I'll share all the links of the products that I've used, and I'll also show you the earrings. So let's get started. So here I'm keeping a sheet to protect my white surface. These are my soft pastels. So here I'm taking 2 to 3 shades of red. I'm going to use my blade to scrape it off. Now I'm going to take this white clay and I'm going to color it. Now I'm going to repeat the same process again. Now I'm going to use the acrylic color. This is Brilliant Red from Handmade, and I've not used it previously because the clay was already very soft. After mixing a bit of powder, now I'm going to use this color for a deeper pigment. This is going to be very messy. This is still not my desired shade of red. I'm going to color it more. See my hands. I'm going to repeat this process until I get the desired result I want. I want a very deep, bright color. In my previous video, I had already made this green shade. I had 2 different shades. I've mixed it together, and now I'm going to use this Handmade's yellow-green color just to give it a little fresh look. So let's start now. Here I have taken a white piece of clay and I'm going to use this acrylic plate. Now I'm going to use 2 cutters. It has dried now and I have made the holes in it with the help of this tool. When it was dry, I used this tool. Now I've taken this little bit of green clay along with this mold. I'm going to stick these leaves one by one like these. So now I have done this one. Now I'm going to complete the second one. Here I have completed both of these. I'm going to take one of these. I'd like to paste it at the bottom instead of top. I feel it would look more prettier. I'm going to take a little amount of water and clean this white residue. So now by using this mold, I have made a few tiny flowers. With the wet brush, I'm going to wipe off the residue. I'm going to make those tiny little balls. So I have taken this white paint on my dotting tool and I'm going to apply it on the middle of the flowers. Now I'm going to take a blob of white clay and I'm going to use my acrylic plate. I bought these few clay cutters. They have the theme of Christmas, and I'm going to use these to cut my clay. So now I have made the pairs, as you can see. Now I'm going to take this Mars black color from Handmade and I'm going to make the eyes. Now I'm going to use my smallest dotting tool for the buttons. Now I'm going to take the red color I'm gonna place little bit of color over here, and I'm gonna make the muffler. I'm gonna paint these gloves. I'm gonna paint the edges and done. I'm gonna add a few lines. I'm gonna take the red color. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of green color. Same for those hats, I'm gonna paint this in red. For this one, I'm gonna take the red color and paint the circle. Now I'm gonna leave it to dry. Now I'm gonna make a few bows. I'm gonna use the brush dipped in a little bit of water and dab gently. Now I have these two heart shapes. I feel this would look very cute over here. I'm gonna paste this. So I already have these few leaves and I'm gonna paste this. I have these other heart shapes. I've used the cutter to cut them and now I want to paint them red. I would have used the red clay to make these, but now I've already made these, so I'm not making another one. I'm going to paint this one instead. So these are the tools I'll be using. These are the pliers I ordered from Amazon. I'll be sharing the link in the description below, and this is the cutter. I have these different types of jump rings and everything that is required. I'm going to use these and I'm going to paste this at the back. Meanwhile, I'll just paste it with the help of glue. Later on, I'll use the gel to seal it. Now I feel this one is too small, and if I paste this behind it, this would be visible, so I won't be using this one. Same with this one, I'm going to skip these two. Now I'm going to be using the jump rings. So I've made these two heart shapes. I've already painted it red. I'm going to take these jump rings again. I'm going to put this inside. Now I'm going to join these two. I'm going to be using these. I feel this is perfect now. So my earrings are ready. I'm going to leave this to dry and I'll see them in the morning. So I waited for my clay to dry, and after it got dried, I added the final touches and I have also glazed it, and this is how it looks now. You can see the shine, and I have also placed it like this. Let me know how it looks.